Good morning and welcome to the Crawford County Board of Commissioners meeting for December 8th, 2021. We'll start with the Pledge of Allegiance with Commissioner Wiederspan.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, Francis. I need approval of the minutes from the meeting on November 24th, 2021.
So moved.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Sock.
Aye.
Wiederspan.
Yes.
I need approval of the minutes from the work session on December 1st, 2021.
Make that motion.
Second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Sock.
Aye.
Wiederspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes. And approval of the payment of bills in the amount of $2,867,495.77 for the period ending December 7th, 2021.
So moved.
Second.
And probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Wiederspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Sock.
Aye.
There were no executive sessions. Any public comment on the list? Okay. We'll start with CATA.
Good morning.
Morning, Kristen.
Morning, Kristen.
My name is Kristen Hauser. I'm representing Tim Geibel here today from CATA. We are here to ask you to approve the reappointment of Jill Withy to the Crawford Area Transportation Authority Board of Directors for a 4-year term beginning January 1st, 2022.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Sock.
Aye.
Wiederspan.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Domestic relations.
Hello.
Hi, Carla.
Hi, Carla.
I'm here to ratify to virtually attend the 2022 National Child Support Enforcement Association Policy Forum, February 3rd through 5th, and the cost of the county is $102.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Sock.
Aye.
Wiederspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
District Attorney's Office.
Good morning.
Morning,
Paula.
Paula.
I'm here to request approval of the expenses in the amount of $775 for continuing legal education training.
So moved.
Second.
Been probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Wiederspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Sock.
Aye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Have a
Paula.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Procurement.
Thank
Morning, Mark.
Morning, Mark.
Gentlemen, in concert, this is for your approval action on awarding a bid for collection of municipal solid waste and recyclable materials at various county facilities. Competitive bids were solicited to obtain scheduled monthly collection for refuse and recyclables as applicable for the courthouse, judicial center, public safety building, juvenile probation office, District Court 3303, and correctional facility. The bid solicitation also included the fairgrounds, which involves collection on an as-needed basis throughout the year and daily during the period encompassing Fair Week. The invitation for bids was for the 2-year period of 2022 and 2023. The bid terms and conditions enable facilities to be added or deleted per the county's service needs and provide for up to 2 years of potential contract extension contingent upon satisfactory service and acceptable negotiated pricing. 2 haulers submitted bids. Tri-County Industries had the lowest overall bid, totaling $37,406 for a regularly scheduled collection service at all the facilities with fixed unit prices for any as-needed per call pickup. The other haulers bid totaled $56,556.76 for the same. The action would be to award the bid to Tri-County Industries.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Sock.
Aye.
Wiederspan.
Yes.
Thank you, Mark.
Thanks, Mark.
Crawford County Sheriff. Morning, Dave.
Dave.
I'm here to approve the renewal of the maintenance agreement with Telusop for 2022 in the amount of $6,672.
Make that motion.
Second.
They probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Sock.
Aye.
Wiederspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes. Thank you, Dave.
Thank you.
Thanks, Dave.
Court administration.
Good morning.
Morning, Heidi.
Morning, Heidi.
First, we're seeking approval of purchase of a 16 video surveillance camera system for the security of the Walnut Street parking structure from Mobilecom. Cost of that is $19,699.
So moved.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry,
Yes.
Soft.
Aye.
And next, we're seeking to ratify the maintenance agreement with Hagan Business Machines of Meadville, Inc. for the maintenance and supplies of a Toshiba copier. That's number 5065 at MDJ Meadville office. Was effective December the 6th of 2020.
Second.
And properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry,
Yes.
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks, Heidi.
Thanks, Eddie.
Crawford County Treasurer.
Good morning.
Morning,
Christine.
I'm here to ask for approval of payment of the actuarially determined contribution for 2021 in the amount of $2,484,106.
So moved.
Second.
And properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
And I'm here to ask for ratification for the purchase of 6 desks and one 48-inch round conference table in the total amount of $4,470. That includes a $795 shipping that will be split between the commissioners and the finance office. These are used desks, and that's why we asked for the ratification. We need to have them approved and then ratified, so.
Moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry,
Yes.
Soft.
Aye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Crawford County Care Center.
Morning.
Morning,
Morning,
Tanya.
Tanya.
Request to approve the replacement purchase of a wearing blender from Hobart in the amount of $662.58 to be paid from dietary minor equipment.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry,
Yes.
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
And request to approve the replacement purchase of a robot coop food processor from Hobart in the amount of $994 to be paid from dietary minor equipment.
So moved.
Second.
And properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
And request to approve the change in FTE from 50% to 100% for business office clerk accounts receivable.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry,
Yes.
Soft.
Aye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tanya.
Thanks, Tanya.
Crawford County Maintenance.
Morning.
Morning,
Mark.
Asking to ratify the payment of invoices from the new backup 911 center project at the fairgrounds in the amount of $337.
Make the motion.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry,
Yes.
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Asking to ratify the payment of an invoice to Scobell Company. This was for work done on the boilers here at the courthouse for $6,613.
So moved.
Second.
It's been probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes. Thank you.
Thanks, Mark.
Crawford County Planning.
Morning, Commissioners.
Morning,
Morning,
Zach.
Zach.
First item this morning, we're seeking to approve payment of invoices to Stifler McGraw for work completed on 3 CDBG projects. All 3 invoices are being paid out of the county CDBG program. The first is $181.50 for the Steuben Township ADA project. The next is $181.50 for the Richmond Township ADA project, and the second one, or third one, is $1,029.54 for the Beaver Township ADA project.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry,
Yes.
Soft.
Aye.
Next item, we're asking for approval to release $4,528.75 of Act 13 environmental funds awarded to the French Creek Heritage and Entertainment District project to the Economic Progress Alliance of Crawford County. This is to be used as match towards an industrial sites reuse program grant. It would only be provided to them if they did receive the ISRP grant program.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry,
Yes.
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
And then lastly, we're asking to ratify a contract award with Windstream Services LLC for broadband deployment to the Keystone Industrial Park in Greenwood Township. This contract is for a not-to-exceed figure of $21,410.68. The cost is covered by the State Facility Closure Transition Program grant that the county received earlier this year.
So moved. Second.
It's been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call?
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thanks, Zach.
Public safety? Morning, Greg.
Morning, Greg.
A request to approve the renewal of an annual service agreement with Breathing Air Systems for our air trailer at a cost of $1,347.98. It's a budgeted expense with no additional cost to the county.
So moved. Second.
And properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call?
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Soft,
Aye.
Thank you. Also requesting to approve a one-year agreement with Mobilecom for maintenance of our Zetron alerting and communications equipment at a cost of $19,998. That'll be at no additional expense to the county.
So moved. Second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call?
Henry.
Yes.
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Thank you. Requesting your approval of an agreement with the Pennsylvania Homeland Security Grant Program for the period of September 1st, 2021 through November 30th of 2024 in the amount of $312,380, no expense to the county.
So moved. Second.
It's been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call?
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Thank you. And lastly, we'd like to approve an agreement with InSync Systems for our records management system support at a cost of $1,199. It's budgeted in wireless funds at no additional expense.
So moved. Second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call?
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Soft,
Aye.
Thank you, Greg.
Thanks, Greg. Thanks, Greg.
IT?
Good morning, Commissioner.
Morning, Tim.
IT is here to ratify the purchase of 475 Skype for Businesses licenses for $13,129 from CDWG.
So moved. Second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call?
Henry.
Yes.
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Next, to ratify the purchase of network support from DES for $546.25.
So moved. Second.
Been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call?
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Okay, we're seeking to approve the purchase of the core program from CCAP for $1,500.
So moved. Second.
Been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call?
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Soft,
Aye.
And finally, we're here to approve the purchase of Internet and Voice Solution for a 36-month contract from Zito for monthly recurring costs of $1,844.75.
So moved. Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call?
Henry.
Yes.
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Thanks, Commissioner.
Thanks, Tim.
Human Services? Morning.
Morning, Gail.
First item I have is seeking approval of a revised administrative service agreement with the Northwest Behavioral Health Partnership. This will run from January of '21 through December 31st of '24 and outlines the administrative dollars that we'll receive, also money that will flow through for CFST, and money for a complex case manager if we would choose to hire that position, and it spells out for the next 4 years.
So moved. Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call?
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Next, seeking ratification for payment to the Center for Family Services for the delivery of the ERAP utility assistance services in the amount of $72,335.96 for the period 10/15 to 11/9, and $28,404.17 for administrative costs for the period 9/1 through 10/30.
So moved. Second.
Been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call?
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Soft,
Aye.
Seeking ratification for payment to the Center for Family Services for their ERAP rental assistance in the amount of $272,219.18 for the period of 10/26 to 11/10.
So moved. Second.
Probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call?
Henry.
Yes.
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Seeking approval for a grant extension request to the Pennsylvania Commission on Crime and Delinquency for the Family Advocate position in our Child Interview Center. This grant is slated to end 12/31 of '21, and we're seeking an extension to 4/30 of '22. And since we've received this grant since 2017, we've always asked for the extension and been granted it by PCCD.
Make that motion. Second.
Been probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Seeking approval of the appointment of Susan E. Watkins as a voting member of the Northwest Behavioral Health Partnership Board of Directors as the mental health representative for Crawford County, effective 1/6 of '22.
So moved. Second.
Been probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Soft,
Aye.
A fiscal year 21-22 HSDF contract with Crawford County School for Adult Education for costs associated with delivery of academic tutoring towards GED diploma and other educational testing needs. The grant is for $10,000 and the cost of the county is $533.89.
So moved. Second.
Been probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
21-22 CYS JPO contract with Family Development Services for the period 1/1 of '22 to 6/30 of '22 for the delivery of in-home parenting, anger management, and in-home counseling, and these are the same services at the same rates that we're currently paying.
So moved. Second.
Been probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
21-22 CYS JPO contract with Hermitage House Youth Services for the delivery of residential services and sexual assessment ADAPT program. These are the same services we contracted for last year.
So moved. Second.
Been probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Soft,
Aye.
And the last item is a 21-22 mental health ID early intervention contract with Woods Services. This provider is located in Longhorn, PA. This is a new provider to us, and they will be delivering a one-on-one staffing support for a consumer who has some medical needs. And this will be for the next 60 days. Cost is $8.50 per 15 minute. Cost of the county is 45 cents per 15 minute, and these are state set rates.
So moved. Second.
Been probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks, Gail.
Thanks, Gail.
Finance.
Good morning.
Morning, Stephanie.
For your approval, I have an invoice totaling $1,580. This was detailed at the work session last Wednesday.
Make the motion. Second.
Been probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Soft,
Aye.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes. Okay.
Thanks.
Commissioner's office.
The first item is requesting approval of the appointment of Kirk Shimshon to represent Crawford County on the end of the PA Johnson Act Workforce Development Board, effective December 8th, 2021 through June 30th, 2025.
So moved. Second.
Been probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Weiderspan,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Soft.
Aye.
Okay.
And the next item is requesting approval for the courthouse to close at noon on December 23rd for the Christmas holiday.
So moved. Second.
Been probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Soft.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Thank you. And here is a paper with the new hires and transfers in your packet.
I'll make a motion, we approve the request of new hires and employee transfers as detailed in our packet today. I'll second.
Okay, probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Soft.
Aye.
Weiderspan.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes. Okay, for upcoming dates, the 15th is a work session, December 22nd is a full session. A reminder, the courthouse is closed on December 24th, December 27th, and December 31st. Do some commissioner comments. Commissioner Soft.
Nothing for me today, but thank you.
Commissioner Weiderspan.
Yeah, I'd just like to encourage anyone that's not vaccinated yet for COVID to certainly consider that. And I would ask that you get your information when you're making that decision. It's certainly your decision to make, but get it from your personal care physician. Don't get it off of social media, Facebook, those kind of avenues. Go to the correct source. Our hospitals are dealing with a lot of people coming in with COVID, and We need to do our part. Crawford County, as I checked yesterday, if I got the numbers right, we're under 45% vaccinated. And that's not good for you or your neighbor or your loved ones or anyone else. Myself, I'm personally vaccinated. I got the booster. And I just didn't do it for myself and my family, but I did it for everybody else I come in contact with. So I would encourage you to, if you haven't been vaccinated, go and talk to your physician and then make your own decision as you see fit. Thank you.
Commissioner Wiederspin, that was an excellent job. I don't need to
Well,
follow it up,
thank you,
but I would echo his comments 100%. This is obviously something that's important to all of us in our county and across this nation to make sure that we mitigate the issues with COVID. I do want to tell everybody that you may not know this, but we do talk to the hospital on a daily basis, and we know what their needs are, we know their struggles, and so we do try to work with them with our ARPA money and ways we can help assist in any way. So we keep working together, but I do appreciate that. It's very nice. Any other comments, anything other business? Entertain a motion for adjournment?
So moved.
Second.
We are adjourned. Thank you.
Well said, Francis.
Thank you. Every time it needed said.
You ready, Ellie? All right, we'll bring the salary board meeting to order for December 8th, 2021. I'll start with a entertain a motion for approve the minutes of November 24th.
So moved.
Second.
And probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried. There were no executive sessions, and now motions before the board, the Crawford County Care Center. Welcome back.
Request to ratify the rate for the emergency transfer of Lindsay Gonzalez, per diem temporary nurse aide. It's a newly created position, transferring from per diem CNA, effective 12/6/21, as set by the 11/24/21 salary board at a rate of $14.50 per hour plus $2 per hour ARPA funds.
So moved.
Second.
Been probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried.
To set the rate for the new hire of Christina Nichols, per diem temporary nurse aide, a newly created position effective 12/9/21, as set by the 11/24/21 salary board at a rate of $14.50 per hour plus $2 per hour from ARPA funds.
So moved.
Second.
It's been probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried.
And to set the rate for the rehire of Shannon Hess, per diem nutrition aide, replacing Cody Noel, effective 12/9/21, as set by the 11/24/21 salary board at a rate of $10.50 per hour.
So moved.
Second.
Been probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I believe the rest is just for information. Any other business to be brought before the salary board? If not, I'll entertain a motion for adjournment.
So moved.
Second.
We are adjourned. Thank you. Are you ready, Jimmy? All right, we'll be bringing the retirement board meeting to order for December 8th, 2021. Need approval of the minutes from November 24th meeting.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried. And we're ready for you, Gina.
Okay, I make the motion for Cynthia Bentley, formerly of the Care Center, to begin retirement with a start date of 12/28/2015, last date paid in interest through 11/21/21.
Second.
Been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried.
Next, I make the motion for Caitlin Lenz, formerly of the Care Center, to withdraw retirement with a start date of 2/1/2021, last date paid in interest through 11/21/21.
Second.
Properly moved and seconded and thirded. Any discussion on the motion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried.
Next, I make the motion for Don Rombaugh, formerly of the correctional facility, to withdraw retirement with a start date of 8/2/21, last date paid and interest through 11/7/21.
Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried.
Okay, and then the last item is just a correction for Sharon Emmett, is formerly from Human Services, not the Care Center. She began retirement 9/25/2000, with a start date of 9/25/2000. Her last date paid was 10/28/05 and interest through 9/30/21.
Can we check? We don't need a motion for correction, or would you? We're good. Okay. Thank you. All right. Any other business to be brought before the retirement board? If not, I'd entertain a motion for adjournment.
So moved. Second.
We are adjourned. Thank you.
No need for an election board meeting today.
That's good news.
Yeah.